Markup price and markdown price. Objectives: to discuss the markup price, to solve some problems in markup price and markdown price. What is markup price? It is the difference between the selling price for a product or services and the total cost. A good or service must be enough to offset all business's expenses and generate a profit. Importance of markup. The amount of markup allowed to the retailer determines the money he makes from selling every unit of the product. Higher the markup, greater the cost to the consumer, and greater the money the retailer makes. Importance of markdown and pricing. Markdowns and pricing. When setting a price for a particular good or service, it is important to value the product accurately. On the other hand, if the price of product is too low, it could become unprofitable. Markups and markdowns are used when businesses under or overvalue a product. Definition: a markup is the amount of increase in price. Markdown is the amount of decrease in a price. The original price is the starting price. It is sometimes called the cost or wholesale price. Selling price is the original price plus the markup or minus the markdown. The markup rate is the percent increase in the price and the markdown rate. Definition: the markup rate is the percent increase in the price, and the markdown rate or discount rate is the percent decrease in the price. Most markup problems can be solved by the equation. Selling is equals to 1 plus M times the whole, where M is the markup rate and the whole is the original price. Most markdown problems can be solved by the equation. Selling price is equals to 1 minus M multiplied by the whole, where M is the markdown rate and the whole is the original price. What is markdown? A markdown is an amount by which you decrease the selling price. The amount you decrease the price can be expressed as a percent of the selling price, known as the markdown rate. Markup percent. Markup percent is equals to the selling price minus the cost divided by the selling price times the 100%. Markup percentage formula. Markup percentage is equals to the selling price per unit minus cost price per unit divided by cost price per unit times 100%. Markup percentage is equals to revenue per unit minus cost of goods selling per unit divided by cost of goods selling per unit times 100%. Markdown. Markdown is equals to the difference divided by current selling price times 100%. Problem number 1. A computer store uses a markup rate for 40%. Find the selling price of a computer game that cost the retailer $25. So this will be the solution. Selling price is equals to 100 plus the M or markup rate times percent times the cost of selling price, where markup rate is 40%. Cost of price is $25. Selling price is equal to 100 plus 40 times percent times 25. So 100 plus 40% is 140% times 25. What 140% will change decimal and we will move going to the left, it will become 1.4. Take note, 140% change to the decimal, it will become 1.4 times 25. So the selling price is $35. Therefore, the answer is selling price is $35. Problem number 2. An item that regularly sells for $425 is marked down to $318.75. What is the discount rate? First, find the amount of the markdown. You will subtract $425 minus $318.75 is equals to $106.25. Then you will calculate the markdown over the original price or the markdown rate of $106.25 in some percent of $425. Then we will write 106.25 is equals to X times $425. And the relative markdown over the original price is X. Then after that you will divide 106 divided by 425 is equals to 0.25. Then change the decimal to percentage form. For 0.25, the answer is markdown rate is 25%. So 0.25 will become 25%. So the answer is the markdown rate is 25%. Problem number 3. If a good are purchased for 1,500 pesos and 1/5 of them sold at a loss of 15%, and what up markup rate should be the rest be sold to obtain overall markup rate of 15%? As per question, we need 15% markup rate on 1,500 pesos. Selling price for 15% on 1,500. So selling price is equals to 100 plus 15. Take note, 100 plus 15. So this will be 115 times 1,500. So we will have a formula for the selling price. 100 plus 15M, 115 times 1,500. And then we will change 115% to the decimal. So we will move to the decimal places. Selling price is 1.115 times 1,500. And the selling price is 1,725. When all goods sold, we must receive 1,725 pesos for 15% as a markup rate. Problem number 4. A product that regularly sells for shoes $425 is marked down to $318.75. What is the discount rate? So the regular price is $425. Marked down price is $318.75. So marked down value 425 as a regular price minus $318.75 is 106.25. And then markdown rate 106.25 divided by the original price or the regular price is 425 times 100%. So therefore, the markdown rate is 25%.